Good morning, and of course you're watching your favorite show, Angisakufuni, right here on CMTV, and I'm your girl Maya Braids. It's good to have you guys, and compliments for the new season. So today we'll be having operations. As you guys know, that here we seal deals. Couples come here to break up. So you know what? We'll be having Precious. She's going to tell us what's actually the problem in the relationship and why does she want to let go of her relationship. So Lee, please kindly bring Precious in the studio. Hi, Precious.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm also great. Who's Precious and where's she from?
Precious usuka emakhaya. Yeah.
Where Emakaya?
Queenstown.
Queenstown. So today, what are you here for?
Ndilapha ubana enzoxelela umuntu amba andisamfundi.
So, who's your person and how long have you been with him?
Ukabelo, and then sibe nesikhathi eside. It's been 4 years now.
It's been 4 years. So right now you deciding to call it off. Why ufuna ukumdampa?
Yo, udala ndimnyamezele. Hey. Kimotho abanyana, and then unjutse hore yena ke ndoda ya mozolo, and then ubusy ka sthepu. So ha patelo pata.
Meaning you've been in a polygamy for like 4 years?
Yes. And inkutlisa bohloke yena ke amarata, but ke a bona hore ke a kgathala.
Are you guys married?
No, not yet. Unjutse hore ba batla ho ya he, so the next thing unjutse hore o tlo thoma ka o mong a fihlileng ka maraka. So wa bona hore ke ntho jwang, and nna ke se emele step. And I know la ile teng ka tlung tlamile nna ke ne ke khumama ke misetsa bodijo ke re yebo khumama.
So do you have a baby with him?
No.
Ona ngwana le?
Una le bona.
That's so hard. I can just imagine. So right now you just wanna call it off and cut ties.
Nke se khone ngwana snana ke tlo nyala motho a sana le 7 already ya bana.
Yeah, no man.
Different mothers nke se khone.
No man. So guys, as you heard, the lady here says she's been in a polygamy and now she can't do it anymore. So she's actually dumping the guy. So let's go to the break. Then when you come back from the break, Lee is bringing the guy here for us so that we finish everything. We'll see you right after this. Welcome back, my loves. Lee, may you please kindly welcome Kabelo for us. Hi, Kabelo.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm also great. Do you know the lady?
Yes, I do a lot.
What's happening between Annalyn?
Siyathandana. Ilokho ngikwaziyo.
Sisi, uyathandana naye?
Yeah, besithandana.
How? Okay.
So, Kabelo,
You?
you actually at Angisakufuni. The name of our show is Angisakufuni. Just so I introduce myself, just so unga mangali with what's happening. So there's something your woman wants to tell you. That's why she actually brought you to our show.
Alright.
So you can tell him why he's here and what's happening.
Hi, Kabelo.
Hi.
Yeah, kutlisitse monana hobane ke batla ho jwetsa hore Angisakufuni.
How?
Mina sengikhathele indlela esisebenza ngayo.
Kunento engayizwa kahle uthi akusenze njani?
Angisakufuni.
Angisangifuni.
Yebo.
Ikuphi lokho okwenza ukuthi uthi awusangifuni namhlanje emva kwesikhathi singakasithandanile?
It's because wena ungitshele ngesithembu and worst part uneyingane with different mothers and labantu bakhona awufihleli bona. Njalo nje mabefona uzubekele phone ku loudspeaker. Ama messages you text them phambi kwami ungitshela ukuthi wena indoda omzulu isithembu nani nani.
Icala lami ukuthi ngikwazi iqiniso bekumele ngufihlele ukuze sizoqhubeka kulolu thando.
So when Akabelo, how do you expect her to feel when you do those things in front of her or in her presence?
Into ebengizama ukuyenza lana bengizama ukuthembeka kuyena.
Bozama ukuthembeka.
Bengizama ukuthembeka kusho ukuthi she didn't see those things like that.
So mawuthembeka uthembeka when you're bringing other women into her space.
Ufike lesikhathi mina ngithandana naye bese bengekho laba abanye.
Manje why wababuyisa back?
Ongenza ukuthi ngibabuyise back ke ukuthi akahloniphi.
Oh, akahloniphi.
Respect ayikho. That's all I can say. Respect ayikho.
So sisi
njengoba esho efake indaba ukuthi ngiyindoda yomZulu wawa. I believe ukuthi wonke abantu inhlonipho ihamba phambili. But kuyena ngazathi into esigcineni.
So Sesi, why are you not respecting your man?
Skako je ditse before. O batla ke nne ke khumane. Nke se khone. Ke araba phone ya hae. Yebo buti tlamile ke khumama. Ke dijo ke a khumama. Ha ke na le mading o sole hae ke a khumama. Achi. So yona e teng ba diena bothata ba o batla molebe ke a khumama. Njalo ke apare bo ditukutuku ke phele ke respecta bua ka nke se khone. O kena ka le madi yebo ba bokhumana. Ke dijo ba bokhumana na bukuli. Ke phone ke se khone se ra. Yona ha ke hane but nke se khone.
Uyabona into enkinga lana ukuthi kuhle ngoba usengibizile wazongitshela ukuthi akasangifuni. Okunye akushoyo angikwazi. Kodwa ngoba usekushilo ukuthi akasangifuni. Angiboni ukuthi singaqhubeka ngemlwisi.
So when amouti akana respect for wena uke wazama ukukhuluma naye ngayo so that maybe you guys fix it.
As she said before, ayikho into engivimbayo, ayikho into engifihlayo.
Were you guys really in love with each other?
Mina njengamanje sengizokhulumela iside lami. Mina bengisothandweni naye lokho kwangampela.
But unabanye abafazi.
Abanye abafazi bavele yena engakafiki. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi onke ama relationship mayengaba khona akusiko ukuthi yena kuzovela nje kucime konke. Kuzoba khona leyo season ukuthi okay umunye uzocabanga ukuthi usabuya umunye ucabanga ukuthi hayi usangithanda kanti angisekho lapho. So mina bengile process yokulungisa ukuthi ngiyabakhipha off noma bengifonela ngiyabakhipha kwaba ukuthi yena ke ubona ifoni ngalezo khathi lezo. So angikwazi ukuthi yena hayi akaze befone akusibo ekubeni babonile.
Mara kufihli kabela.
So
why should I?
So when you got in the relationship you knew what you were getting yourself into?
No.
What do you mean no? Didn't you know?
No, hundreds. Na ha ke fitla ntse ha ona motho. Ke nna fela o ngatile fine ga tswela pele.
And
jigi motho after slim o santse tsore batho ba habo ba ya kae o etsalang bana o understand.
So you still chose to stay in the relationship even after you knew?
Ne ke nana o tlo change. Lagato wa ntseba lo.
But there's nothing he was going to change because that's the burden he was coming with. Ke mogolo natla lone.
Ntone ene ngutisa bohlokone wa motlisa motho a ntse tsore o yuane ke tlo molahla ke mamele ka bona go ntona ntse tswela pele instead of abalahla o ntsa yeketsa jwale ke bana hape on top of those people
So guys, as you hear for yourselves that there is actually a polygamy situation running onto here. So after the break we'll actually hear it out and just close it off because the lady is tired and the man seems to not take it. So we'll see you after the break. Welcome back, and of course, as you guys heard, that you know what, whoever is leaving whoever because the problem is too much. So yeah, what's happening? What are you saying? Tell him why he's actually here and that he actually done.
ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi angisakufuni leso sizathu engilethele sona.
Uyabona Precious, into engayisho njengamanje nenja yaze waqeda amanzi ngolimo, kanti empilweni akuvela kanye njengamadlebe embongolo. Ebengiqonda ukuchaza ukuthi yonke into eshoyo njengamanje wenze sure ukuthi isinqumo sithathayo sisona sona, hayi ngoba nakho ungasangithanda, hayi ngoba nakho khona okube ngikwenzile, but kube ukuthi awusangithandi ngempela.
So ukuhlala, do you guys stay together or you guys stay at different places?
Sihlala ku.
So what about the other women? Like what are you doing with so many women, if I were to ask you, Kabelo? Like 9 ladies, 9 women. How are you controlling so much stress? How are you tolerating 9 women?
Yazi okokuqala lento ngiyizwa ukuthi nginabantu besimame engithandana nabo abawu9 bengakaze ngizwe iphuma kuyena before.
Oh,
but for it because sene decision asayithathile ekhanda lakho, so shuthi kusenginamanye ama stories akhona. Angiphiki bebekhona abanye abantu mabekade bekhona, it's not like bengifika ngihlala nabo ngithi okay ngiyakuthanda bese ngiyothanda lo. Besithandana ngaleso sikhathi kufika isikhathi sokuthi hlukane, nesokuthi kufika isikhathi sokuthi hlukane kuba ama actions azongenza ukuthi ngihlukane naye, and then bese ngiyahlukana naye, like indlela okwenzeka ngayo nami njengamanje.
But yeah, kushuthi usisi naye manje she's the one that is tired. That's why she's actually letting go of the relationship. You really don't want it, Sisi. No, you don't need to cry, Lala. It's really okay. No, you don't need to cry, love. So, yeah, can you tell him for the last time and let's close the show off.
Njengoba sengishilo ngisakufuna ngikhathele.
Cela wazi ukuthi ngikuthanda. Ukho konke ozobhekana nakho, konke ama decision ozowathatha, ungasabi ukubuya kimi. Hayi ukuthi angikho buhlungu ukuthi uyangishiya. Nami ngibhlungu, ngiyafisa ukukhipha lezo nyembezi. Kodwa ngikwazi okwamanje. Mhlawumbe ngizoyikhipha sengedwa. Ngiyabonga.
But yeah, are you satisfied? May you please tell him so we close off the show.
Ngona kubuhlungu. But angisakhona. Mangisuka la ngiyothatha impahla zami ngibuyele ekhaya. Ukuthanda khona bekusathanda but angisakhona. Ngiyakushiya. Ngicela nawe la uyakhona nabantu wakho nabantwana bakho nibe right. I hope uzofunda kusasa ukuthi umuntu wesifazane next time umphatha kanjani.
It is what it is. As you guys seen everything for yourselves, it was a great show. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you show some love. We love you guys at home. It was great. We'll see you next time. Cheers.